Assalamu alaikum, sir. My name is Muntasir Shahriar Ahmed, and in this presentation, I'll be discussing the information system of Square Group. Square Group is one of the most well-known pharmaceuticals company in Bangladesh. It was founded in 1958 by Samson H. Chaudhary, starting as a small pharmaceutical company. Today, it operates in multiple sectors, including pharmaceuticals, textiles, food, and healthcare. We chose Square Group because it represents an industry benchmark. A company exporting medicines to highly regulated markets like US and Europe cannot function without a strong and reliable information system. Managing thousands of employees, complex supply chain, and compliance requirements makes Square an ideal organization to study from an IS perspective. Square Group is important because it plays a leading role in Bangladesh business. Due to its large scale and diversified operations, the organization faces significant operational complexity. To manage this complexity, Square Group relies heavily on information systems for coordination, communication, and decision making. Their operations across different locations require real-time data sharing, especially between the corporate office and factory units. By studying Square Group, we can understand how enterprise-level systems like ERP and network infrastructural support operational efficiency, financial transparency and long-term competitiveness. Their strong use of technology clearly contributes to their ability to maintain quality standards and sustain growth in highly competitive market. So that's it for me. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Mohammad Asrul Islam. I'm continuing after my group member. In this slide, I will specifically talk about the information system infrastructure of Square Group. I want to highlight that the information system infrastructure is a comprehensive system that includes both hardware and software components. This infrastructure supports Square Group's large scale, multi location operations. It ensures a smooth and continuous flow of data between the corporate headquarters and different factory units. By using advanced technologies, Square Group is able to maintain efficient operations across its various business sectors. Overall, this strong IS infrastructure plays an important role in improving the company's effectiveness and helps Square Group remain a leading conglomerate in Bangladesh. Now let's go to the next slide. This is a very important part of this presentation because it represents the key software systems, and I will discuss and go through all over. First, Square Group relies on a robust SAP ERP system to improve efficiency across different departments. This system helps integrate business processes and ensures smooth operations. Important modules include FICO, which is used for financial management, and which supports effective inventory control. Additionally, the Square Group uses Laboratory Information Management System or LIMS. This system ensures accurate tracking of pharmaceutical laboratory test results and helps the company maintain compliance with regulatory standards, such as those set by the FDA. Together, these systems form the backbone of the Square Group's operations. They enable seamless communication and efficient data flow across the company's extensive network of facilities, supporting overall operational excellence. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Iftikhar and I'm going to talk about the new employee setup of the Square Group of companies. So let's start by talking about the how much Square Group ensures the smooth onboarding experience for new employees. The process is efficiently managed by our the Square Group of companies system administrator who works closely with HR and IT. And when HR sends a new hire request, if it first goes to the IT managers for approval, and once approved, the system administrator creates a user ID and email account for a new employee, sets up the laptop with the necessary software and finally hands over the device. And this is streamlined approach not only ensures that the employees can hit the ground running from the day one, and also enhances the productivity and minimizes any delays in starting their work. At Square Group, we believe that they believe that a seamless onboarding experience, it is the first steps toward this successful and engaged workforce. Next up is Next up is the data backup and recovery. Moving on to the data backup and recovery, which is a critical part of their business continuity strategy. At Square Group, the database administrator ensures that the automated daily backups occurs at 2 a.m. The securely copying the data to backup servers or cloud storage. After every backup, a verification email confirms that the process was successful. And additionally, we they conduct the weekly data integrity tests to identify and to prevent any potential issues. These structured approaches safeguard their data and minimize the risk of loss and fosters the confidence in their information systems by prioritizing the reliable backups and recovery process. They make sure that the business operation remain uninterrupted even in unforeseen situations. This is from my side, and I would like to turn it over to my teammate to talk about more.
Hello everyone, this is Mayanur Zaman Shain, and now I would like to talk about the IT help desk issues. At Square Group, the IT help desk handles a large number of support requests every day. Most of these requests are repetitive and basic in nature, such as password reset problems, printer malfunctions, and simple software issues. Although these problems are small, but they take up a significant amount of time. Because of this heavy workload, IT engineers cannot focus on more complex and important technical tasks. As the number of support requests increases, response times becomes more slower and employee productivity is getting affected. This situation often creates pressure on the IT support team and highlights the need for a smarter and more efficient support system. To address these challenges, Square Group has proposed an AI chatbot, which brings me to my next point, the AI chatbot purposes. The main purpose of the AI chatbot is to automate level 1 IT support. Employees will be able to type their problems directly into the chatbot and receive instant responses. The chatbot will handle common issues like password resets, printer setup, and basic system guidance without human involvement. By using this AI chatbot, the workload on the IT helpdesk will be reduced significantly. IT engineers will then have more time to focus on more complex technical issues and system improvements. This will not only save time and cost but also improve efficiency and service quality across the organization. So, the AI chatbot can effectively solve IT help desk issues by providing faster support and reducing workload and improving overall productivity at Square Group. And now my next member will continue the rest.
Hello everyone, this is Tanzim and I will be talking about the pros and cons of implementing an AI chat box for IT support, key insights from an interview with an senior executive at Square Group, and finally the overall conclusion and future potential of the organization. So let's get started. So, firstly, talking about the pros and cons. Implementing an AI chatbot for IT support offers several strong advantages. One of the biggest benefits is instant response. Employees no longer have to wait for IT staff to be available as the chatbox can provide 24/7 support This improves efficiency and saves time across the organization. Another major advantage is cost reduction. By handling repetitive and simple issues, the chat box allows the IT team to focus on more complex technical problems, increasing overall productivity. However, there are also some challenges. Older or less tech savvy employees may resist using chatbots, preferring traditional human support. Additionally, language barriers could limit effective communication if the chatbox is not properly trained. So, I personally think to overcome these challenges, proper training and gradual implementation are necessary to ensure acceptance and smooth usage. After that, we have the interview insights from the Square Group. During the interview with a senior executive from the Square Group, it was revealed that the AI chatbox is expected to significantly reduce the workload of the IT department. However, the executive also highlighted an important concern for complex or insensitive IT issues. Employees may still prefer human resistance over automated responses. To address this, the executive strongly recommended staff training sessions before the full deployment. This session will help employees understand how to use the chat box effectively and build confidence in the entire system. Finally, coming to the conclusion highlights. In conclusion, Square Group's success is strongly supported by its robust information system infrastructure, including SAP and advanced networking systems. These systems enable smooth coordination across the company's diverse operations. The integration of the AI driven IT support presents a valuable opportunity to improve productivity, service quality, and operational efficiency. By continuing to invest in information systems and future technologies, Square Group not only strengthens its internal process but also positions itself as a leader in technological innovation within the Bangladesh market. Thank you.